This video documents the current state of medium-cost AI movie systems in real use today. These systems sit between expensive studio services and low-cost automated tools. Medium-cost systems typically cost between $500 and $5,000 per project. Most tools in this tier charge monthly subscriptions plus usage credits. Common monthly costs range from $50 to $400. Credit usage increases with video length and visual complexity. A 2-hour project using medium-cost systems usually takes 2 to 6 weeks to complete. Script preparation often takes 1 to 3 days. Scene generation usually takes several days to 2 weeks. Audio generation typically takes 1 to 2 days. Editing and assembly often take 1 to 3 weeks. Final polish depends on how strict quality requirements are. AI performs most of the bulk work in medium-cost systems. AI generates storyboards from scripts. AI creates scenes, camera motion, and basic edits. AI also generates narration and some audio elements. Humans still guide the process. Humans review outputs and request retakes. Humans manage pacing and continuity. Humans assemble long timelines and fix errors. Human involvement typically ranges from 30 to 50%. Medium-cost systems produce solid long-form results. They are well-suited for documentaries and educational content. They are not fully cinematic without extra human work. Visual consistency is better than low-cost systems. Automation is lower than high-cost studio pipelines. There is no fully hands-free solution in this tier. Medium-cost systems trade money for speed and control. They reduce labor, but do not remove human judgment. This channel tracks medium-cost systems to see when features become cheaper and faster. These changes inform upgrades to low-cost workflows over time.